up, guys? Just wanted to hop on here and make a really quick video. I'll be honest, I don't really have a script for anything here. I'm just we'll do that awkward first YouTube video. And now I just wanted to, actually I've had this channel here for a while, nothing really posted. I just wanted to make a little intro video. I've been told for years, make a YouTube channel.
Stop the cap.
You know, I've had a few, I guess, kind of cool vehicles. I'm sure I'll throw them somewhere up on the screen here, there, I don't know. But if any of you do know who I am, you know, probably follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I've had various usernames. But yeah, I just decided with purchasing this new truck, I just sold my High Country LML. I just thought I would go back to my roots, a truck that I actually enjoyed. So, I guess we're gonna do a YouTube channel for the build. Picked up this absolutely minty...
What you talking about, Willis?
2004 LB7 in sandstone metallic. LT3, pretty loaded out truck, at least for the year, you know. No sunroof, it's not an LBZ.
I read about did you say want?
I don't really care about the sunroof. No floor mats yet, don't judge me there. But yeah, she's pretty minty. Not the best lighting, now that I think about it. But anyways, yeah, pretty good deal on this. Needs a little TLC here and there. It's been worked out of. But I just thought, like I said, I would just make a video, kind of walking around, showing the truck. As of this moment, I haven't really revealed it on social media or anything. But here she is. Haven't done much to it yet. Just got it this week. We've done LED third brake light, full LEDs all the way around, brand new OEM tail lights. But yeah, I haven't really done much. LEDs, clears, changed it a little bit. I'll throw a picture there somewhere on the screen right now, what it looked like. Obviously the truck was on some welds. Got it from the dealership with a bad belt, so wasn't expecting that. I kind of wanted to rock the welds for a little bit, but yeah, so much for that. So I picked up literally the day I bought the truck. Picked up some stripped and polished PYOs, 315/75 Mickey Thompsons on them. Reverse leveled it the next day. So, like I said, I'll beat on a dead horse here.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Just wanted to make a little intro video. I'm about to get this thing cleaned up. I bought this thing in Oregon, and I'm in North Carolina, so you can imagine the drive did a number, you know. She's filthy, but the paint looks good. Probably already said it, it's sandstone metallic. From what I know, pretty rare color, kind of fitting. I came from a brownstone metallic Silverado, so kind of the same truck, just older, you know. Hit a little time machine there. But anyways, yeah, like I said, I just wanted to make this quick little video. Won't make it too long. I'll probably throw in some something after this, I don't know. Like I said, gotta clean up the truck. Got a lot of things coming for this truck, so I'll be honest, I've recorded this probably 6 times now. Had a 04 Cat Eye before this. Yeah, it was nice. It was one owner was in the family, inherited it. Minty LT3 04. And this paint, let me tell you, I up until probably a year ago, I didn't even really know this was a paint color for some reason. I've just never seen it. It's hard to get a good, can drop the exposure here, but it's really hard on camera just to show how good this paint looks in the sun. It's very flaky. Still trying to figure out this whole videography thing. Obviously, you can see the exposure adjusting there and everything. Getting my settings right, that sort of thing. Just picked up a microphone. We'll get her started. I just wanted to actually start documenting some of my vehicles. Got to get this thing deleted. Yes, I said deleted. For those of you who don't know, this is a California truck. Unlike the other, we'll say other 49 states, I'm sure there were some that had exceptions. This thing came with an EGR, different heads, different turbo. There's a whole list of things. Some people swear they're actually the better truck. Very stoked. I'm very happy with the truck so far. I've only had it about a week now, and yeah, so far it's turning out good, I think. Putting some paint match factory flares on it. I already have some boost auto mirrors, you know the works. Good old copy paste cat eye. I'll be making some videos here and there, installing a few things. Kind of trying to bring the truck up to 2025. This is an old truck now. It blows my mind. I was raised in one of these things, and like I said, I'll be making some content just revolving around this truck. You can expect some videos here and there of the got a 2016 350R. I don't know, I've also got a little daily, you know, we'll get somewhere with it. The coilovers, that sort of thing. Might as well. I don't really care about subs or anything, but hopefully some of you will join along. Peace.